The best electric bikes are a great investment if you want a way to get around that's cheap, easy, and environmentally friendly. Known as e-bikes, the best electric bikes you can buy today come in all sorts of styles and sizes, which means it can be tricky to work out which you need. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best electric bikes you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Aventon Adventure 2 stands as a formidable choice, ranking 5th among the best electric bikes. Its standout feature lies in its robust design tailored for versatile terrains, earning it the title of the best fat tire electric bike. With an 80mm suspension fork, 4-inch wide wheels, and a powerful 750-watt motor, this bike conquers anything from casual commutes to challenging single tracks and even snow-covered paths. Weighing 77 pounds, the Aventon Adventure 2 is undeniably hefty, yet its capability to carry up to 400 pounds and its rugged build make it a reliable option for adventurous riders. Powered by a 750-watt motor, it reaches a maximum speed of 28 miles per hour and offers a commendable range of up to 60 miles on a single charge. Moreover, the bike comes equipped with a user-friendly LCD providing essential information, integrated lights, and a torque sensor for intuitive pedal support. Noteworthy features include an 80mm suspension fork for a smoother ride, rear and front fenders, a pre-installed rear rack for added utility, and turn signals for enhanced safety. Priced at $1,790. The Trek Domane SLR stands out as one of the top contenders in the electric road bike market, securing its place as the 4th best electric bike. Offering a premium experience with no compromises, this bike represents the epitome of high-performance electric cycling. Crafted to perfection, the Domane SLR embodies a natural road biking feel, seamlessly integrating electric assist for an enhanced riding experience. With its lightweight design and cutting-edge TQ HP R50 drive system coupled with a TQ 360 watt-hour battery, it achieves an optimal balance between power and agility. Designed with the discerning road cyclist in mind, the Domane SLR boasts a sleek carbon frame and 6 customizable spec options, ensuring a tailored fit for every rider. Its discreet German-engineered motor and non-removable battery deliver a smooth and silent ride, outclassing its counterparts in both performance and aesthetics. Featuring an integrated LCD display, mode toggles, and simplified charging options, the Domane SLR offers unparalleled convenience and functionality. Starting at $87.90, it represents a significant investment, yet for those seeking the pinnacle of electric road biking, it's a choice that promises unmatched quality and enjoyment on every ride. The Santa Cruz Heckler stands tall as the 3rd best electric bike, hailed for its prowess in conquering rugged mountain terrains. Customizable to your preferences, it promises to tackle the toughest trails while providing ample battery power for extended rides. Boasting a robust 720 watt-hour battery capable of delivering up to 600 watts of power, it offers 4 pedal assist modes for varying terrain, all controlled via an ergonomic handlebar switch. Additionally, the Shimano E2 Project app allows wireless customization of the system, enhancing user experience. With 150mm of rear travel and 160mm up front, coupled with twin 29-inch wheels, the Heckler effortlessly absorbs bumps and rough terrain, ensuring a smooth ride. Its carbon frame guarantees durability, while integrated disc brakes offer precise speed control and prompt stops. Despite its electric capabilities, the bike discreetly integrates the battery into the frame, maintaining its sleek appearance. Weighing 50 pounds and capable of reaching speeds of 28 miles per hour, the Santa Cruz Heckler is tailored for all-day exploration. While lacking commuter-friendly features like lighting, its intuitive gear shifting and sturdy build make it a reliable companion for off-road adventures. With prices starting at $55.92, this bike promises unparalleled performance and durability for mountain biking enthusiasts. The Ride1Up Portola earns its place as the #2 best electric bike for its impressive folding capabilities and solid performance. Despite its weight of 59 pounds, this bike folds up conveniently, making it easy to store and transport. While lacking suspension, its compact design and max speed of 28 miles per hour make it a practical choice for urban commuting or leisure rides. Designed with hinge points at the stem and down tube, the Portola features a secure locking strap for compact storage. With 8 gears and a powerful 750-watt motor, it offers a max pedal assist speed of 28 miles per hour and a 20-mile-per-hour throttle. The 2.2-inch LCD display allows for customizable pedal assist levels and provides real-time information on wattage output, speed, and battery life. Commute-friendly features include a rear rack capable of carrying up to 130 pounds, a 40L front light and rear brake light, and sturdy alloy fenders for protection from debris and water. The removable battery, equipped with a key lock for security, facilitates easy swapping for extended rides. Priced at $995. The specialized Turbo Vado 4.0 stands out as a premier choice for both casual riders and long-distance commuters, earning its place as the #1 electric bike in its category. Offering a seamless blend of power and comfort, this bike promises an enjoyable riding experience with its natural pedaling sensation enhanced by a 4-time boost, effortlessly tackling inclines and maximizing efficiency. Equipped with essential features such as front and rear fenders, a powerful 210-lumen light, a sturdy rear rack, and a convenient bell, the specialized Turbo Vado 4.0 is purpose-built for commuting and leisurely rides alike. Its comprehensive onboard computer provides vital information, while Bluetooth connectivity enables advanced performance tracking and system management through the specialized app. Designed with rider comfort in mind, the bike boasts an upright architecture and thoughtful suspension components to smooth out rough terrain, ensuring a pleasant journey even over long distances. Available in 4 sizes to accommodate various riders, the specialized Turbo Vado 4.0 offers a top speed of 28 miles per hour, powered by its 250-watt motor and a long-lasting battery. However, prospective buyers should note its weight of 58 pounds, which may pose challenges for those needing to navigate stairs regularly. Priced at $32.49. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.